international flights are there, then there is now so much of thing that is getting exported. That will be done through Mopa. But this will remain forever and ever.
Sir, any more facilities are being put up infrastructure-wise or?
Yes, they are trying to put, but then let us wait for the next meeting.
Yes.
Because I say now, and it doesn't happen, then, but nothing will be decreased.
Important decision is very good, I mean, what I will say. वो airport तो double is तो सदा उड़तलो. Sarojin Babu as MP has already told us that you don't worry about it. I think सांगले की आम्ही खूप मार्केट करतात because this is marketing is also required to keep it. तर आम्ही सुद्धा मार्केटिंग करतात की आहे आता माझ्या कंपनीक सांगला किंवा माझ्या सगळ्या क्रूक सांगला की तुम्ही मोपा थ्रू वचचे ना तुम्ही दाबोली थ्रू वचले आणि तुम्ही मोपा थ्रू जर गेले तर तुमकां TA दिवचो ना म्हणून वास्को टू मोपा you have to spend money. So this is what is very important that we are hope we have been told that Daboli will always remain. That is very good news. बाकीचे जे सजेशन्स आम्ही दिल्यात पहिली दिल्ले ते इम्प्लिमेंट झाल्यात आता नवे सजेशन दिल्यात ते त्यांचं करता म्हटलं वी आर हॅपी विथ अवर डिरेक्टर हू इज डुईंग व्हेरी वेल अँड ऑल दो अदर ऑथॉरिटीज.
So it can be like an announcement, NRB staff not to get TA if they travel from Mopa.
If you want, you can put it, but I already put in the notice board that they will not get TA if they go through. Because in democracy you can go through anywhere, but we will not pay the TA.